Do you look up at the night sky and just marvel at the vastness of the universe? If so, then astronomy is for you. In this course, students will explore the beauty and complexity of the universe. We'll learn about celestial bodies and the intricate design of our cosmos. We'll dive into the creation of stars, the fine tuning required to support life on Earth, and the awe inspiring order of the universe, all the while considering the intelligent design behind it all. We'll also cover the fascinating world of aerospace, from how we launch rockets to the technology to make space exploration possible. Students will learn about the history of space exploration, the mechanics of rockets and spacecraft, and the advancements in aerospace that allow us to explore God's creation beyond our planet. Are you ready to go on your next adventure? Then sign up for astronomy because this class is for you.